大家好，我係東東。It's mango season again. Today we're going to make a refreshing mango salsa. Let's get started. Cucumber produce a particular class of compound called cucurbitacins, which are bitter. To remove this bitterness, cut off the ends, rub it, sprinkle with salt, then rinse it well. Peel half of a cucumber and dice. The seed and transparent part could be watery. I normally remove it. Cut the end of the Roma tomato. Give it a cut like this and cut along to remove the seeds and juice. Dice it finely. Put the onion in water before cutting could prevent tearing ice. Chop the onion to around 1/4 cup. Wash and dry cilantro. Scrape the leaves off of the cilantro bunch, then chop finely. You still get some stems, but the stems are quite flavorful and tender. Sprinkle salt, black pepper, and squeeze in half of a lemon or lime juice. Give it a good mix. To check if a mango is ripe, take a look at the end of the mango if it's brown, or sometimes you see some brown liquid stain. Gently squeeze the mango. You'll feel the softness but still firm. A easy way to peel and cut a mango is to cut sides of the mango as close as to the seed. Cut into the flesh without cutting through the skin. Turn it 90 degrees, make more slices across those first slices. Use a big spoon to easily get the diced mango out, and mix it into the rest of the ingredients. Ingredients and measurements here are flexible for this recipe. Be creative and adjust to your preference. That's it. Easy, refreshing, and healthy mango salsa. Enjoy with corn tortilla chips or serve on fish. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. 我哋下期再見啦，拜拜。